Let me show you the best features I found for Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So first of all, we can open the MyFitness app, and then after I'm finished with the app, we will move to the apps available for your Xiaomi Smart Band. So now in the app, we can go for Manage Band Displays, which will allow you to set a custom photo for your band watch face. So we can choose a different clock style and then customize a color for that clock as well. And here, click on custom photo and pick a photo from your gallery that you want to use as your custom watch face. Apply it. And now our watch face, at least the custom one, is applied. Let me go into the settings real quick so I can change the brightness, and now we can move on. So we can go back on the app to the main device page and go for notifications and calls. Right here, you can activate app notifications and incoming calls, which will allow you to see notifications from your apps as well as incoming calls on your smart band, so you can then answer them on your smartphone. Keep in mind that this device doesn't support any interactions like if you receive a call, you will need to speak through your phone and listen through it, as it doesn't have any speakers or a microphone. Now we can go back and focus on our smart band. So let me bring it out like this. We can swipe up, and then you will see a list of all of the different apps that are available for it. There's workout routines that you can use. There's history for your routines as well, which is pretty cool. We can measure the heart rate of our heart, basically. So you need to wear this band to actually measure it. And next thing we can do right here is measure the blood oxygen. You also need to wear it to actually measure it. Then there's the sleep. You can measure your sleep comfort, I guess, and generate sleep data if you go to sleep with your device while wearing it. We can also measure a stress level. Then let's go back. And if we swipe like this to the right, we'll be able to see quick access icons. We can enable or disable do not disturb mode for a certain time, which will allow you to not receive any notifications for some time on your smart band. We can enable a flashlight, which is pretty handy, or you can, if you swipe down, you can also use SOS signal. And that would be honestly everything I would, or actually there's one more. Okay, so open those apps and scroll down to the settings. If we enter a display, we can go for raise to wake, and then you can activate it with all day options, which will allow you to see wake up your screen when you basically just move your hand in front of you. And now that would be everything that I found, which is pretty useful on this smart band.